This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. So, what you guys can possibly expect. Let's take for the next 1 week. Okay. So, right now, the first card we have for you is strong connection. Okay. Excuse my handwriting. The reason why I don't show my cards is because my handwriting sucks. And we have I do, but I fear this connection. So, if you are wondering if this person has feelings for you, I do, but I fear this connection. Okay. That's the problem. So, let's start now. What's really happening in Libra's life? This August, on the 15th of August, I'll be completing 2 years on not on YouTube but doing tarot. I believe I started reading for Libra in the month of December 2018, but I started practicing and started doing tarot in the month of August. I got my first deck, I believe, on the 15th of August. Okay, so yeah. So right now with the Hanged Man, I don't know why you guys get Hanged Man all the time, man. Right now with the Hanged Man, nothing could be happening. You could be waiting on them, they could be waiting on you. You both are waiting on each other. Okay, so there's this waiting phase going on. Okay, you guys could be possibly trying to look at the situation from every angle. Okay, trying to get a different view of it, like a different perspective maybe. Okay, with the Hermit card, you feel ghosted or someone is ghosting you. Okay, it's either that your person is not really giving you the attention you need, and or you could be trying to just stay away from all that's happening around you. Okay, I also feel some of you are either connected with a Virgo. This could also be a Pisces. Okay, so doesn't have to be this signs, but for now I feel there's this waiting phase going on. It is not a happening connection. Okay, so this are the two cards I see for now. Okay, so you guys could be possibly feeling ghosted by your person. Even if your person is present around you, this person is clearly friend zoning you with the Hanged Man and the Hermit card. Okay, not showing any sort of romantic feelings, no flirting, nothing. Okay, you are basically wanting to get an idea as to what's happening in your life, what's happening in this connection. Both are major arcana cards, so this is not a regular connection, this is a strong connection. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's coming towards you for the next few days. What's going to come towards Libra for the next few days? What's coming towards Libra spirit? What's coming towards Libra? I also completed 11,000 followers on Instagram on my Libra channel. We post a lot of Libra memes there. I also post your energy in terms of what's happening in the stories. So if you are on Instagram, please do follow Libra vibes only. Okay. So what's coming towards Libra spirit? So with King of Cups and the Ace of Swords, right now you do not trust this person. Okay, even if this person starts expressing their feelings towards you, I don't think you're going to trust them. Okay, so I do not know why this is all happening, but I see a sense of manipulation. Someone is wearing a false mask, like someone is hiding their feelings. I know you're going to be tired of hearing the same shit over and over again, but what to do, man? The cards are showing me the same shit. Okay, with King of Cups, I do feel honestly that if right now, if things are not looking good in the next few days, let's see, it could take a weekend more. Okay, I'll be very honest with you, this will not happen very fast. Okay, this person will open up, but it will take time. It could almost take more than a week. I'll be very honest, very, very straightforward. Okay, so I see the next few days going in the same stagnancy, same, wondering what the hell is happening with your connection, whether if this is even a romantic connection or a friendship or just people online or something like that. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, the problem with the connection is someone in this connection could be way too focused, could be you or them, on their finances. Okay, someone wants to make more money. Okay, like get more stable. Someone is wanting to completely stay focused on their career and not their love life. Someone is a very money minded, could be you or them. Okay, I won't want to focus on one person here. Second card is Queen of Cups and King of Cups. So I do feel on some which level that this is a romantic connection. It's just that you guys always meet people who are closed off. I do not know why. Okay, I do a lot of Libra personal readings. Mostly it's just that you guys do not even know if your person loves you or not, you know. And that's always been a problem, and people come to me and I do help them. So yeah. So let's see what's coming up. So far I see all stagnancy, nothing good. Okay. So let's start with your tarot now. What's coming towards my dear Libra for the next 7 days? With Knight of Wands, I do feel this person in some which way is still coming forward towards you. If they are not opening up emotionally, I do see and sense this person coming forward. Okay, emotionally you can't expect much from this person, at least for the next 7 days. I'll be honest, I'll be straightforward. But sexually, I do sense some sort of action from their side. They'll at least start flirting, or they'll possibly start seducing you in any which way. Okay, so that's something I see. With Seven of Swords, right now this person does not want to commit. They don't even want to speak about commitment. You speak about commitment, they'll bloody cut the call or possibly start ignoring you or something like that. Okay, so let's start now. With Ace of Cups, for some of you, if you are not wanting this person, I do feel a new lover coming in. This could possibly be a earth sign. I'm not a big lover of earth signs, but this could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. There is a new person who's going to be presented to you by the universe. It's up to you if you want them, want to stay open, or just want to ignore them. Okay, totally up to you. But I do sense a new opportunity coming in terms of a soulmate connection. With Three of Wands, you know, I feel like you guys are definitely going to be in some sort of communication within the 3rd week of August. Okay. With Five of Wands, many people are trying to get your attention. Okay, with Seven of Wands, you are not exactly open for connections. You might want to still communicate and reply, but I do not see you flirting and easily keeping yourself available to any new connections. Okay, even if you are saying so, I don't see your energy being that. Okay, so Spirit, let's start the reading now between Libra and their soulmate. So if this will apply if you have someone. Okay, so what's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate, Spirit? What's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate? One card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate for the next 7 days. One card for that, please. Overall energy between Libra and their soulmate. Right now, I feel you both are focused on your own life. Eight of Pentacles for me is a card where someone is very much focused on themselves. Usually people look at it as someone wanting to put in effort and all that. But bottom card we have doesn't tell me that this person is wanting to work on this. Rather, they are working on themselves. So are you. So I feel you both are very focused on yourself, not the person, but yourself. Focus on your finances more, to be precise. Okay. So let's see your person's energy towards you now. Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra. Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra. Why is everyone so focused on making money, man? Bloody everyone is focused on making money. One card for Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra now. Moving forward. With Judgment card, bottom card is the World card, top card is Queen of Cups. So this person is thinking whether they should give this a second shot or not. Right now they are holding back. Right now you are not in very much in a connection. Okay, this person has detached themselves from you. I do not see balance in this connection. This person will want to think of reconnecting. I'm talking of a soulmate, not a new person. Okay, this person could either be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, too much water here. In the past, I believe this person walked away or started resisting you if they did not walk away. Could also be Leo for some of you. Could also be Taurus. So take what resonates, leave the rest. One card for how are they possibly going to come forward towards you now. this person definitely has to make a decision, darling. I know this is a judgment card, but this person definitely has to make a decision. They need to make a final call. This person is way too confused. With justice card, they are wanting to do the practical thing and not the emotional, thinking emotionally. They are thinking practically, logically, and whatever logical decision comes out of it, they are going to move forward with it. Okay, so with Queen of Swords, do not expect, again I'm going to say this, do not expect a lot of emotions from this person. Even if you guys are communicating, I see very straight off communication, like one-to-one communication, word-to-word communication, so nothing to be very excited about, to be honest. Okay, so one card for how are they possible to come forward towards you now. How is the Libra student possibly going to come forward towards Libra? They definitely have to make a decision whether they should come forward or whether they should end this. Okay, they are definitely at crossroads. Your person is at crossroads. Okay, one card for how are they possibly come forward towards Libra now. How are they possibly going to come forward towards Libra spirit? One card for how they possibly come forward towards Libra now. With the Justice card, I do feel for some of you that this person is wanting to bring balance in this connection. Okay, they are wanting to bring transformation. Bottom card is the Death card. Okay, with Justice card, some of you, your person might want to reconcile, but as of now, they are at crossroads. Okay, do not expect much. I'll be very honest. I won't want to keep your hopes high in any which way. Your person is at crossroads. They are wanting to make a decision that's going to benefit them and not you. Them. Okay, they are thinking about themselves, not you. Kind of a little selfish, but whatever. Okay, some of you might be connecting with the Libra. That's, I don't know, man. Libra, that's messed up. But whatever it is, I do feel your person will want to think of reconciling or coming back, but you will get communication. That's for sure. With the Justice card, this person will tell you something. They won't keep you on hold. Okay, this is for the next 7 days, not today, tomorrow. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra. Libra soulmates true intentions towards Libra. One card for Libra soulmates true intentions towards Libra. What are Libra soulmates intentions going to be towards Libra spirit? One card for Libra. This person is not very much in like coming forward in terms of action. Okay, they do have regrets for treating you the wrong way. Okay, they do want to manifest this connection, but darling, honestly, Five of Cups is not a card where someone takes action. They'd rather sit back, cry about it, maybe miss you. They are already missing you with Five of Cups, but I still see a way that your person will hold back. Okay, you can't expect much from this person. Okay, they are in this very sorrowful state. They miss you, but they are not wanting to do anything about it. Okay, they are rather wasting their time thinking of the past. Yes, they treated you wrong, but I really don't understand people. They treat you wrong, and then they say sorry, and they do the same shit again, and again they apologize, and this shit continues, man. I do not know how could someone make you go through so much and still feel bad about it. I mean, no sense, right? One card for what action are they want to take towards you now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Libra? Okay, we already have a card. With the Fool card, I still feel this person wants to stay a part of your life in some which way. Maybe friendship, relationship, some which way. They are not wanting to completely let you go. Okay? In terms of action, I feel this person will come forward, but I still see resistance in terms of commitment. If you ask about commitment, they are going to go not like going to leave you or something, but they'll start resisting you more. Okay, I sense this person coming forward towards you, but again I'll repeat, do not expect emotions, feelings, that's it. No, because top card we have is Nine of Pentacles, so they are coming off very much detached, someone who does not need anyone, someone who's self-sufficient, someone who's fine by themselves. That energy does not ever express feelings and stuff. So yeah, in terms of what you could expect, in terms of what could my Libras possibly expect for the next 7 days, in terms of action, what could my Libras possibly expect from their partners now, soulmates, sorry. What could my Libras possibly expect in terms of How their person going to possibly come forward? What action is possible to take towards Libra? One card for that. Yeah, they will communicate. Communication is definitely happening. Okay, fast communication. Bottom card, they are thinking of you, but I still see them a way of concern more than wanting to start a romantic connection. They are concerned about you. They are wanting to know about you. They are curious about you. Okay, so I do feel there will be communication no matter what other tarot readers say. I sense communication. Okay, I strongly sense communication. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you now? Libra soulmates current feelings towards Libra, please. Libra soulmates current feelings towards Libra. One card for Libra soulmates current feelings towards Libra, if you know. Libra soulmates current feelings towards Libra. It's not like they do not have feelings. Queen of Cups is a card where someone has feelings, but the problem is holding back. Problem is they are in a very defensive mode. Okay, like wearing a false mask, keeping a distance. Page of Swords is a card where someone wants to maintain a distance. Like they are stalking you very much, keeping a watch on you very much, watching your social media. If you're posting pictures, watching your pics and stuff. Okay, possibly even stalking you online, like your last scene and stuff like that. With Six of Pentacles, I still feel that this person still wants to be a part of this. Okay, so why the blockade, Spirit? So why is this all happening in terms of the blockage? In terms of the blockage, one card for Libra soulmates. What's really blocking them from coming forward towards Libra? What's the main blockage, if we may know? One card for Libra soulmates blockage. Sorry. The blockage could be their mother. Okay, right now this person does not want to commit. They want to hold back. They want to save themselves. They want to fix themselves. There is a resistance in terms of commitment, but the problem could be right now this person is wanting to focus on themselves and not you. Right now they feel like this is not a time for them to be in a romantic connection, in a committed connection. Rather they are wanting to stay focused on themselves. These three cards tell me that either they are wanting to stay focused on themselves. For some of you, they do not have the finances to be with you. Okay, they feel like they can't start a commitment right now or be in a relationship right now. For some of you, their mother or someone like a parent could be a problem. Okay, for some of you, their sister could be a problem. Top card, the Lovers. It's like right now they are messed up whether they should be a part of this or not. Okay, they do feel a strong connection with you with the Devil card, but I still feel like their own fears, their own insecurities, their own issues, own problems are stopping them. Okay, like what else is happening? Are they entertaining someone else? If we may know, Spirit, are they entertaining someone else? Libra soulmate, are they entertaining someone else? Definitely someone is stalking, like talking to them, not stalking them, talking to them. Okay, definitely someone is trying to flirt with them. We have Ace of Wands here. Top card, yes, someone is definitely in the picture. Okay, Knight of Wands, this person is not completely focused on you. This person is definitely talking to other people. There is a third party present, not romantically, but this person is flirting with your person. Okay, so I won't say that your person is at fault completely, but someone is definitely causing issues. There is a new person in the picture. Okay, possibly a fire sign. Okay, I do sense that this person could be younger, doesn't have to be, but this person could be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward now. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving forward? one card for where this is possibly moving forward. For some of you, we have Queen of Swords. So I still feel that you guys will communicate, but not the communication you would like. Okay. So I sense a detachment from your person, but still in communication. Okay. One card for what do they want from you now? What do they possibly want from you? What do they possibly want from you? That's the crazy shit, you know. This person still wants to be with you, have a family with you, have a future with you, but not now. Not wanting to stay fixed now. Okay. With the Devil card, they feel like they have other things to possibly give their attention to. Okay. For some of you, I know that your person could be having other options, but so do you, darling. Okay. So do you. You have options. It's just that this person is trying to flirt with them. So many people try to flirt with us. That happens, man. Don't get too affected by it. Okay, so let's take message from your person. I still feel, strongly feel, I do not know, try to wrong me, but I still feel your person wants to end up with you. But right now I sense a lot of detachment. Okay, one card for messages from Libra Soulmate to Libra now. Messages from Libra Soulmate to Libra now. Give me two messages from Libra Soulmate to Libra now. For some of you, this reading might go vice versa. A Libra might be doing this to you. Our connection is so beautiful, but is equally scary and confusing. I got the same card for Scorpio. For some of you, you are dealing with a Scorpio. Okay. One more message from your person. I desire you more than you know. Okay, I want to be there with you, taking care of you, but not now. That's the last message. I want to be there with you, taking care of you, but not now. So this person could be having other issues that they need to attend. Okay, let's go slow, be patient with me. Let's go slow, be patient with me. Okay, right now your main fear is that they are not interested anymore, but that is not the case, darling. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. I'll be honest, I just read what my cards tell me. Okay, I show all of my cards, so there's nothing to hide. All those who could connect with this reading, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who are on Instagram, come follow me on Libra Vibes Only. I do post a lot of energy updates on the story. Okay, so do come there and check out. I'll also be posting mini readings and a link to private, like small mini readings on YouTube. So I'll possibly put it in the bio link. So do check. Okay, alternate days, not every day. I can do every day, but yes. Right now, darling, work on yourself. You are behaving very codependent with the Devil card. Okay, you could be longing your person sexually very much. Okay, but you need to start focusing on yourself. It's not like, if this person is not there, you're going to die or something. That's something you should not believe. Okay, you need to start focusing on yourself. Start knowing that you don't need anyone to make you happy. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. It was kind of intense, but that's how my readings are, right? So yes, thank you so much for coming in. And all those who want a personal reading, do go to my website, choose one, book one, and email me. Okay, thank you so much. And I'll also be posting Libra in separation and Libra single in few days. Okay, so do check that out. So thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.